Okay, so I got that on there. The other little piece I've got going on is this bottom part here. And what I've got going on for this is, again, I actually used the pasta machine. I'm not going to right now. And I use these molds. I love these molds. I only have 2 of them, but the 2 I got I absolutely love. This one's called Karen. It's by Dominique. These are the make your own mold. That's the make your own mold guy. You can go to Make Your Own Molds website. But these are these are the self-cutting, the Erling Moore's enhanced lace molds. These are the self-cutting ones. These are the new ones he came out with. And basically you just need a tiny little bit of cornstarch in there because you don't want it to stick. It's fondant. Just a little bit because you don't want to lose the texture of the mold. And I think he might have these, he changed his website name to Marvelous Molds, so I think Make Your Own Molds connects to Marvelous Molds, and this one's called Karen, is what this one's called. It's one of the more expensive ones, but boy, it's very versatile, and you can see it's actually, it's really beautiful. You'll see it when I get it out. Hold on. Up. Boy, I got stuff all over this counter. Well, you're not going to see that. I'll do this side. Okay, so a little bit of cornstarch on here.
Is that just fondant, or is that fondant and Tylose?
This is actually fondant and Tylose, but you can do just plain fondant. Okay, so we're going to put it in there, and I actually use a piece of foam, or in this case, I'm going to use this guy, cornstarch guy, to help push it in so I don't get fingerprints on it. And then you're supposed to roll across it with your rolling pin. Obviously, that's not a real rolling pin, so it's not going to do what it should do. Let's get a real rolling pin. And what this does is it actually cuts, it self-cuts these edges. I didn't quite roll hard enough. But it makes it so those edges are pretty much already cut for you. And then you just kind of run your finger along it. Make sure the center is done up. I have a little piece here. There we go. A couple extra pieces. We can just pull those out. Very quick. Oops. These centerpieces will come out. And I didn't want to use the whole thing. I only need a little bit. Get the general idea. Just kind of smooth those edges up a little bit. And then it just pops out like that. Which is it's a beautiful lace piece, but obviously that isn't what I wanted. So what I did is just cut it in half. Cut this extra piece off, which is why I didn't care about it. And now I can put it as my base border here, okay? Which is what I did. I only need like one more of these, I think. So we'll just pop this guy on. Okay. Easy?
Cool.
Yeah, that's cool. Yeah, that's pretty cool. All right, so we'll get that out of the way. To color this, there's a couple different ways that you can color this. One is, again, I'm using the Lilac, and you can use alcohol and a paintbrush, or you can use oil. And what I did is, normally I use alcohol, or you can even use water. But you got to be really careful because it's actually already on the cake. I don't want drips. So I decided this time I was going to use the oil. And you can use orange oil. Nicholas Lodge taught me. Actually, people have been using oil for a long time. But he showed me, use the orange oils. I mean, we were using vegetable oil is what we'd been using. But he used the orange oil. And oh, my gosh, what a taste it gave to my piece.
Nice.
Just yummy. And the oils, the reason for using the oils is they actually do, if you're using metallics, it covers better. You don't end up with the streaking like you do.
How about lemon?
Lemon works.
Yeah.
Okay, so what I did was just use a little bit of oil and a little bit of this petal dust. This is, again, the lilac, same stuff I had before. And I'm just going to do a thin stripe right between. Okay. For the fatter ones, the fatter stripes, because it's double striped, I actually used just a flat brush. This is a number 00 round. And this is a number 3 flat, if you care.
Are the oils is it Loran's?
Yeah, this is the Lorana oil, but you can use any brand.